Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, welcome to Ella Pokaluk's Mixed Educational Quiz. Thank you, Ella, for such a slideshow quiz. Thank you, Ella, for your another educational opportunity. We can't wait to take this quiz with you.
Okay, this is longer than any other quizzes, so let's do this thing.
Okay, let's get started.
Oh, and guys, just want to let you know the answers are removed, so Mommy, you do not have to cover them today. Okay. Number one, so this is called Why Do We Cry? Mm-hmm. Okay, number one, why do we have tears? Is it because A, 3 kinds of tears show emotional, reflex, and basal tears? B, is it because we had leftovers from a baby? Or is it because C, we drank water?
Nia Licious says it's A. There's 3 kinds of tears: emotional, reflex, and basal tears. And that is correct.
Yay! Okay, number 2. How many kinds of tears do we have? A, 3, B, 100, or C, 1,000,000?
Mulan says the answer is A, because we just talked about the 3 kinds of tears.
Let's look. Does the answer key say it's
yes.
correct?
Good job. You know that answer. That's why I wasn't telling you, because you know. Okay.
Number 3. When you cut an onion, what tears does that produce? A, funny tears. B, purple tears. Or C, reflex tears.
Nikki, what do you say?
Reflex tears.
That's right. It's reflex tears.
Okay. Now this is called Why Do We Sweat?
Okay.
Okay. Number 1, why do we sweat? A, is it because we are sad? Is it because B, we forgot to do our homework? Oh no, we didn't do our homework! Or is it because C, our body is cooling itself off?
Rachel, what do you say?
Our body's cooling off.
That's correct. Our body is cooling off.
Number 2, why does sweat stink? Is it because A, it mixes with bacteria, like in your feet and your armpit? B, is it because you have a pet dog? Or is it because C, you did not eat your breakfast yet?
Cosmic Nova
says A, mixes with bacteria.
That's correct.
Bacteria is really bad for you, by the way. Okay, number 3. How many sweat glands does an average human body have? A, 2 to 5 million. B, 1. Or C, trillions and trillions of sweat glands.
Swag, what do you say?
2 to 5 million.
That's correct. 2 to 5 million.
Okay, now this is about healthy choices. Okay, number 1. Which is healthy? Watermelon or cookie?
Raleigh Radmore
says watermelon.
That's correct.
Okay. Number 2. Your mom says you have 30 minutes to do anything you want. Will you pick sports or iPad video games for 30 minutes?
Corey Cruz.
What does she say?
Sports.
Sports is correct, right?
Yes. Sports
is like an exercise, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Number 3.
What sport did we do today? We took a...
Oh, yeah.
What did we do? We took a walk.
We took a walk.
Yeah, he forgot already that we took a walk.
Okay, number 3. After a snack, a tooth is munching on an eggplant and it leaves stuff behind, like on a teeth. What would you do to get it off? A, brush teeth, or B, eat more food?
Dazzle.
What does she say?
Brush teeth.
Yes, you're correct, right?
Yeah. Well, honey, you don't have to check with me. You know the answers.
Okay, number 4. After a long day of school, you are super hungry for a snack. Will you rather eat carrots or French fries?
Is it what you'd rather eat or what's healthier?
I'll give you a hint. It's
Healthy. Okay, Wonder Woman, which is healthier, carrots or French fries?
Carrots.
That's right.
Okay. Why do plants eat meat? Okay, number 1. Why do some plants eat meat? Is it because A, they are bored? Is it because B, they are looking for a best friend?
To eat?
No, not to eat, it's to love.
Oh.
Or is it C, they get their nutrients from bugs and insects?
Patriot?
Says they get their nutrients from bugs and insects.
That's correct.
Okay, what color attracts insects to the Venus flytrap? Is it A, blue? Is it B, red? Or is it C, periwinkle?
Poe wants to answer it because it's Poe's favorite color.
Okay, what do you say, Poe?
Red!
You're correct. Red color attracts the insects to the Venus flytrap. Okay, number 3. How long does it take for a Venus flytrap to close? A, 1 second, B, 10 minutes, or C, 1 hour?
How about Applejack?
What does she say?
1 second.
Yes. It only takes 1 second to close.
Chomp!
Okay.
Chomp, chomp.
Now, what are the planets in our solar system? Okay, number 1. Which planet in our solar system has life? Is it A, Mercury? Is it B, Mars? Is it C, Earth? Or is it D, Jupiter?
Cinderella says that it's C, Earth.
You're correct. Because that's what we live in right now. Okay, number 2. How many planets are there in our solar system? Is it A, 60? Is it B, 870? Or is it C, 8?
Royal B says that it's C, 8.
You're correct again. Okay, number 3. Which planet in our solar system is the biggest? Is it A, Earth? Is it B, Jupiter? Or is it C, the moon?
Sunset Shimmer says that it's B, Jupiter.
Yes, because it's like a gas and giantest planet. Oh, and by the way, guys, Riderman is here.
Riderman is our favorite shy cat.
Okay, how do tornadoes form? Number 1, what is a tornado? Is it A, a hurricane? Is it B, your best friend? Or is it C, rotating columns of air that touches the ground?
Miss Marvel says that it's rotating columns of air.
You are correct. Number 2, why do tornadoes form? Is it because A, warm meets cool air and wind direction changes? Is it B, wind direction does not change? Or is it because C, they do not form in the world?
Elsa thinks it's A, warm meets cool air and wind direction changes.
Great job. Okay, number 3. What should you do to stay safe from a tornado? Is it A, go to the lowest level with no windows? Is it B, dance in the rain? Or is it because C, we eat gumballs and watch YouTube videos?
Rarity says the answer is B, you go dance in the rain.
Wrong.
Oh, Rarity, no. As fun as dancing in the rain is, it's not safe to dance in the rain during a tornado. Try again.
The correct?
Go to the lowest level with no windows?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
Go to the lowest level with no windows is the safest way. Okay, what is an earthquake? Number 1, Why do earthquakes happen? Is it because A, the seasons changed? Is it because B, the earth is bored? Or is it because C, it is made of plates that slide on top of hot, molten magma?
Supergirl says it's C. It's made of plates that slide on top of hot, molten magma.
You are correct. Okay, number 2. How many kinds of faults are there? Is it A, 10? Is it B, 3? Or is it C, 100?
Sam says it's B, 3.
I think she's correct. Can you check?
Yep, she is.
She is correct, yes. Okay, number 3. How big does the Richter scale go? Is it A, 10? Is it B, 1? Or is it C, 1,000,000?
Kingsley thinks it's A, 10.
Yes, the Richter scale goes from 1 to 10.
That's right.
Okay. How do rainbows form? Number 1. What are the colors of the rainbow? Is it A, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet? Is it B, pink, green, gray? Wait, what is this?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Gray.
Teal, I think it was.
Teal, black, blue, and tan? Or is it C, white?
Well, our rainbow specialist is Rainbow Dash, and Rainbow Dash says it's Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
You are correct. Okay, number 2. Why do rainbows appear after the storm? Is it A, sunlight shines on water droplets and they affect lights? Or is it B, it is hot outside?
Let's see who wants to answer this one. How about Groovy Babe? She says, sunlight shines on water droplets and they affect lights.
You are correct. Number 3. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Is it A, 50? Is it B, 1? Or is it C, 7?
Fluttershy says that it's C, 7.
You're correct. Okay, why do we need spacesuits? Number 1. What was the first Earthling to orbit space? Is it A, a cat? Is it B, a bunny? Or is it C, a dog? Who wants to answer this one?
Squirrel Girl says it was a dog.
C, dog? You're correct. The dog was the first Earthling to orbit space. Okay, number 2. Why do astronauts need spacesuits? Is it because A, the atmosphere in space is different than Earth? Is it because B, they need to go to sleep? Or is it because C, they look cool?
Inferno says it's C. They look cool.
Wrong.
Oh, can Inferno try again? The atmosphere in space is different than Earth.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's the correct answer.
Inferno said they still do look cool though.
Yeah, I know, but that's not right. Okay, number 3. How much does a spacesuit weigh? Is it A, 100 pounds? Is it B, 280 pounds? Or is it C, 500 pounds?
Ariel says it's 280 pounds.
Is she right? Yes. Okay. Why do we yawn? Number 1. Why do we yawn? Is it because A, we are hungry? Is it because B, we smell bad? Or is it because C, we need to cool off our brain?
Tinky Winky says that we need to cool off our brain.
You are correct. Okay, why do volcanoes erupt? Number 1, where does lava flow? Is it A, on the Earth's surface? Is it B, the North Pole? Or is it C, the glaciers?
Moana says A, Earth's surface.
You're correct. Number 2, where does magma flow? Is it A, Antarctica? Is it B, underground? Or is it C, tornado?
Charlie Lake says it's B, underground.
You're correct, because it flows underground. Okay. Number 3. Why do volcanoes erupt? Is it A, they're full of yummy pizza? Is it B, pressure is being forced out of the Earth's crust? Or is it C, it's because it is how soda is made?
Blue superhero number 1 says pressure is being forced out of the Earth's crust.
You are correct. Okay, why does lightning happen? Number 1, why does lightning occur? Is it A, electrostatic discharge between the clouds above and underground? Is it because B, Captain America is angry? Or is it C, a volcano is erupting?
Captain Marvel says it's electrostatic discharge between the clouds above and the underground.
You are correct. Okay, number 2. What sound is made from lightning? Is it A, a mouse squeaking? Is it B, a lion roar? Or is it C, thunder? Like the song.
Miss Independent says C, thunder.
You're correct. Well, we tried to have a thunderstorm, but it canceled, so yeah. Okay, number 3. Lightning can carry up to how many volts of electricity? Is it A, 5? Is it B, 10? Or is it C, 1 billion?
Ghost Spider said 1 billion.
You are correct. Okay, how do tsunamis form? Number 1, how fast does a tsunami move? Is it A, 500 miles per hour? Is it B, 100 miles per hour? Or is it C, 1 mile per hour?
Pinkie Pie says it's 500 miles per hour.
Is she right? Yes. Okay, number 2. Why does a tsunami happen? Is it A, there is a movement of energy through the water? Is it B, it makes a dinosaur extinct? Or is it because C, there is a giant shark in the water?
Red superhero number 1 says there's a movement of energy through the water.
You are correct. Okay, number 3. What can cause a tsunami? Is it A, an angry whale? Or is it B, earthquake, underground volcano, landslide, and meteor?
Rainbow Bright says it's B, earthquake, volcano, landslide, and meteor.
You are correct.
An angry whale. You crack me up.
Okay, facts about sharks. Number 1, what is the biggest kind of shark? Is it A, a tiger shark? Is it B, a horn shark? Or is it C, a whale shark?
Crystal Star says that it's C, a whale shark.
You are correct. Okay, number 2, what do sharks eat? Is it A, sharks are carnivores? Is it B, they are herbivores? Or is it C, they are omnivores?
Snow White says it's A, they're carnivores.
You are correct, because they only eat meat. Okay, number 3, how many teeth do sharks have? Is it A, 100? Is it B, 300? Or is it C, 64?
Pocahontas says B, 300.
You're correct. Healthy choices number 2. Number 1, what would you eat? Cupcakes or carrots?
Barbie
Which
says
is healthy?
carrots.
You're correct. Number 2, what would you eat? Watermelon or French fries? Which one is healthy?
Blue superhero number 2 says watermelon.
You're correct. Okay, what would you eat? A pineapple or a cheeseburger?
Red superhero number 2 says pineapple.
You're correct. Okay, number 4, what would you eat? A cake or a banana?
Blue superhero number 3 says banana.
You're correct. Okay, why do floods happen? Number 1, why do floods happen? Is it because A, the earth is crying? Is it B, there is an increase of water? Is it because B, there is an increase of water and it has nowhere to go? Or is it C, you brush your teeth when you leave the sink on the whole time?
Gigi says that it's B, there's an increase of water and there's nowhere to go.
You're correct.
It also happens when Lily overflows the bathtub.
That's true. Sometimes. Okay, number 2, how much water does it take to knock a human off of their feet? Is it A, 6 inches? Is it B, 1,000,000 inches? Or is it C, 1 bazillion inches?
Kiki says it's 6 inches.
You're correct. 6 inches is correct. Okay, number 3, what is a flash flood? Is it A, a super strong superhero? Is it B, a flood that happens suddenly? Or is it C, a fancy cheeseburger?
Batgirl says a super strong superhero.
Is that our final answer?
Yes.
Well, a flash flood is not a super strong superhero.
Oh, she's a superhero, so she thought that was the right answer.
Nope. The correct answer is a flash flood is a flood that happens suddenly.
Oh. It's not a fancy cheeseburger, huh? Okay.
Okay. Number 1. Where is the best place to sneeze? Oh, and this title is Why Do We Get Sick?
And your best friend.
Okay. Is it A, you're on your best friend? Ha, 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 chew! Is it B, your elbow? Ha, 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 chew! Or is it C, your hands? Ha, 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 chew!
24 Karate DJ says, in your elbow.
You're correct. Elbow is the best place to sneeze. Okay, number 2. Why do we get sick? Is it because A, you forgot to clean your room? Is it B, everyone has germs or is it B, everyone has germs and they can have viruses?
Bella says it's B, everyone has germs and they can have viruses.
You are right. Okay, number 3. How do we prevent getting sick? Is it A, eating yummy pizza for dinner?
You wish.
Is it B, washing hands with soap and water every time you go to the bathroom? Or is it C, you can prevent getting sick by watching TV?
Boris says it's washing your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds at least.
You're right. Okay, why do we brush our teeth? Number 1, why do we brush our teeth? Is it because A, it helps prevent cavities? Is it B, it helps so that we don't get hungry? Or is it C, it helps to read better?
Darren says A, it helps prevent cavities.
You are correct, Darren. Good job. Okay, number 2, how long should you brush your teeth? Is it A, 2 minutes every time? Is it B, 10 hours every time?
True.
Or is it C, no brushing teeth time?
Oh, no. Robbie says definitely 2 minutes.
You are right. You should brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3, what is a plaque? Plaque. Is it A, a type of car? Is it B, built up of bacteria of our teeth? Yeah. type of soda?
Tiana says it's built up of bacteria on our teeth.
You're correct. Okay, Isaac Newton, number 1. What kind of telescope does Isaac Newton create? Is it